lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having a beautiful and blessed day. So you guys, I have this hair tutorial for you guys, and it's just how to do like a beachy soft curls, but beachy but cute. Okay, yeah, and obviously on the short hair, you guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I did cut my hair short. I was just tired of having it long. I mean, I've had it long for so many years already, and I just wanted something different. Yes, I absolutely love it. And if you guys like to know how I achieve this hair look, so just keep on watching. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it with all my heart, and also give this video a push thumbs up. And let's get this tutorial started. Okay guys, so my hair is a little damp. It's already, I kind of like let it air dry. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a product that I love, and it's this one right here. It's the Tresemme, and this one is my #1 product that I love to use. So I did spray some already on my hair. Next, I'm just gonna blow dry it just a little bit more, because like I said, it's a little bit wet still in the bottom. And I do not use the hot heat, I use the cold heat that it blows, so that is something that will protect my hair from getting damaged. And this one is from Conair, and it's called the Infinity, and this is the one I use. To be honest, I don't even know what size is the barrel, but you get an idea. I am going to be turning it on to 330. This one goes all the way to 395, guys. So this is the brush I use. This brush, you guys, I got it at the 99-cent store, you guys. The bristles on this, they're so soft and so flexible. Like, it doesn't hurt my scalp or my hair whatsoever. So I love this brush, and it was like $1. So let me just stop talking. So first, I'm going to part my hair. As you can see, I grab a little bit from the back, and then I am just going to curl from right there, not towards the end. I like to leave the ends a little longer and then just let it go, just like this. And then I like to do the curls one back and then one forward. So this one I did it back, and then this one I'm just gonna curl it forward, and then just like that. Then just let go, and then grab this side and let go. But I am sorry if I'm sucking on explaining how I'm doing this. So we're gonna repeat the same steps. So now that my hair is already like, you know, curled, I'm just gonna like go just a little bit with my fingers and just remove, like let the curls a little bit more looser. So next, I'm gonna be showing you guys the next tool that I use, and it's the straightener. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it up right now to 340. I'm gonna put the temperature to 340 on, and this is the one that I love. I use this one. This one is from Nano Tools. It's by it's actually by Conair actually. I got this one at Sally's, and let me show you guys a very quick. This is the size of I don't even know. I think it's like the 1 1/4 or something like that. But it is pretty big, and it's already hot. I can feel the heat already. But yes, this is the one I use. You can use any straightener, it really doesn't matter as long as it's a straightener and it works for you. Next, I just come and just grab any random pieces. I do want to straighten the bottom pieces just like so. pretty much all over your hair. You just straighten up the bottom pieces. In the back, I just guess, you guys, because I can't see, so I just like guess. But so you guys, this is the finished look on my hair. What do you guys think? I still love it. You guys don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel, you guys. So yes, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.